Right, we're just doing a oil filter change on a Citroen 08 2008. It's a Citroen C3 1.4 rhythm. We took this pipe off here, the airflow pipe, the battery cover, and we've just got one of these universal joints with a 21mm socket, no 27mm socket, sorry. And we're going to undo the cover of the oil filter. I'm just going to do that now. Right, it's loose now. We're just going to do the rest by hand. There you go, there's the main housing. The oil filter's still in there. I'm going to pull the oil filter out that. You have to change that rubber when you put the new one in. And there's the filter, looking filthy. This is the new filter going in. You've got to put the filter in first and make sure that nub there locates inside the filter housing. So you just put it in, turn it a bit. You should feel it going snug. Right, let's put the filter cases, the filter housing cover on now. Just loose finger tight to make sure you don't cross thread it to begin with. Just going to tighten it back up now with the ratchet. You've got to do it slow because you ain't got much room, so keep going till it's tight.